warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Rafian Desitomeang. You can call me Amar. I'm from Malikus Saleh University 1F Communication class. I am 18 years old. I live in Tapanuli Selatan, Sumatera Utara. I graduated from Mandua Model Padang Sidimpuan. My hobby is playing acoustic guitar. The things that make me uncomfortable are disrespect and lies. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.